I'm hungry. Feel like eating something interesting, nice, and different. Let's have a Vietnamese roll today. Wow, so colorful! Every time you eat is an opportunity to nourish yourself. Have a rainbow colored diet. Foods that are in the violet, indigo and blue spectrum like blueberry, jamun help manage diabetes and infections. Foods which are green in color like broccoli, spinach help build your blood. Yellow colored foods like bell pepper, pineapple, lemon are rich in vitamin C. They boost your immunity and also protect your tooth and gums. Orange and red colored foods are rich in lycopene. They fight inflammation and they are also an excellent source of vitamin A, which gives you a good eyesight. When you eat healthy, you get a shining skin, strong hair, and you're also in the correct weight. Include as many colors in your diet as possible. Our recipe for today does just that. To make the Vietnamese roll, we need some shredded purple cabbage, cucumber. We'll scoop the seeds and then cut it into these thin long pieces. Then we need some lettuce, stir-fried paneer. To make it, simply heat some oil, splutter sesame seeds, then add paneer. You can even use tofu and some soy sauce and stir fry it. Let it cool before you put it in the rice paper roll. Then we need some julienne carrots, some cooked rice vermicelli. If this is not around, you can even use the regular noodles. And now we'll take the rice paper. You can find this in your local gourmet food stores, or I'll leave you with a link in the description box so you can get yours online. There are two sides to the rice paper. One is smooth and the other one is rough. We'll be using the rough side. Making the Vietnamese roll is so easy because you don't have to cook it. Just take some water on a flat surface. The water should be in room temperature. Now take the rice paper. I've cut it into half so it's easier for me to roll. We'll dip this in water for about 20 seconds. And then spread it. We'll now add the fillings one by one. Make sure the vegetables are finely cut, and when you're putting the filling, it should be in a small quantity. For the times when we don't feel like cooking much, Vietnamese rice paper rolls are a good option. They are easy to make, loaded with vegetables, low in calories, and yet very filling. Okay, now let's put the paneer. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you can even put stir-fried prawns. Now that we are done arranging the fillings, let's start rolling it. The rice paper may feel a little bit sticky, but don't worry, it comes out fine. We'll start with folding from one side. Then we fold at the bottom. Now roll it to cover the vegetables. Then roll the other side to cover the stir-fried paneer, prawns or tofu, whichever you're choosing to have. Now give it a final roll and overlap the paneer-filled side on the vegetables. And there it is. You can see all the colorful fillings and they taste so great. If you're using the full rice paper roll, give one fold at the bottom, then one fold at the top, and then cover the vegetables and roll. And finally cover the paneer filling and roll. And it's done. You can have it with peanut sauce. It can be store-bought or we can easily make it at home. Heat oil, and add some garlic to it. When it browns, add some hoisin sauce, peanut butter, and some coconut milk. Mix it well and cook for a minute. Then transfer it to an airtight container when it cools. Enjoy your Vietnamese rice paper rolls with some peanut sauce, and if you like it spicy, then you can even have it with your regular momo sauce. Thanks for watching our video. When you try out our recipe, let us know in the comment section as to how it came out. We'd love to hear from you. Bye-bye for now, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye.